Our research project is looking at ways in which social innovation occurs both within multinational companies and across networks of companies in which multinationals are a part. We see social innovation as a process in which novel practices or a new repertoire of techniques are used to bring about a change that has both a societal as well as a corporate benefit. And the people who are advocating for these changes are those we refer to as social activists. Social innovation can take a number of different forms. In this project, we're looking at social innovations that address inequality. And we're defining inequality very broadly, taking a number of different forms. One aspect is in relation to pay. And so some of the social innovations we're looking at concern minimum income guarantees or fair or living wages, for example. We're also interested in inequality in terms of skills. How can social innovation increase access to certain occupations in which those from low socioeconomic groups have tended to be underrepresented, for example? We're also addressing inequality in terms of how NGOs and social enterprises can access some certain key services. And so the innovations in this regard are looking at how these can be provided in an affordable way. We're also addressing inequality in terms of gender. So some of the social innovations we're examining are looking at novel ways in which promotion of gender diversity can occur within the tech sector. And finally, we're interested in how inequality can be manifest in terms of human rights and labour standards, and are looking at novel arrangements concerning the organisations of supply chains and how this can guarantee certain basic standards. The team that's investigating this phenomenon is comprised of researchers from across 5 countries: the UK, Netherlands, Canada, Mexico and Brazil. It's publicly funded, and we're respecting the confidentiality of all of the organisations that take part, both during the research and in the publication of findings. We've been collecting data across 2 main phases. The first phase involves 40 cases of social innovation across these 5 countries. We're gathering snapshots of social innovation processes and engaging in systematic comparisons across these cases. The second phase involves 5 much more in-depth cases, in which we're getting multiple perspectives, enabling us to both understand the process in more depth and to properly document the outcomes as seen by the social activists themselves.